Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we are going to get started with Catlon Studio. This is the first one for Catlon Studio. We are going to cover these topics: Catlon Studio introduction, features and supported environments, and then at the end of the video we are going to cover few amazing facts and tips, so don't miss, watch till end of the video. Let's get started. Before going further, please join our YouTube family. Click the subscribe button to watch all our videos first. Then if you are enjoying the video, please give it a like, comment on the video. The more subscribers, likes and comments I get, it is going to really motivate me to make more amazing videos. Going further, let's start with Catlon Studio introduction. So why should you learn Catlon Studio? Because it is very popular and very trending automation tool. It is going to support web testing, API testing, mobile testing and desktop testing, four major areas. Then one more thing, Catlon Studio is #1 codeless automation tool. So for a beginner, you can start with codeless automation features, then you can go up to advanced expert level, you can do scripting. So even for beginners, they can do automation very well with this codeless automation tool, and you can go to expert level as well. Catlon Studio simplifies your test automation a lot, and it is getting popular day by day. And then it can automate web testing, API testing, mobile testing and desktop testing. These four major types of testing it can automate. That's why Catlon Studio is very popular, and you should learn that to secure a very good career. Going further, it is built on the top of the Eclipse SDK. So when you open that we are going to see in the coming tutorials, it is going to be very familiar with Eclipse, pretty much like Eclipse, and it is going to be very easy. If you are working with Eclipse, then it is very easy for you. Catlon Studio is free. You can straight away download it and start using it. The global market for Catlon Studio is increasing. So as of now, at this time, there are 65k plus companies using it from 160 plus countries. So it is growing a lot. Then going further, so this picture gives you a overall picture of Catlon Studio features, overall features and how it is going to work. So you can see it supports desktop testing, then API testing, mobile testing, web testing. All those are four types of testing you can automate with Catlon Studio. Then you can do generation of test scripts, generation of automation, either record and playback or manual mode or scripting mode. You can generate your automation, you can generate your test scripts. Then you can do execution. There can be remote execution or local execution, or on a server you can do your execution of test scripts or automation. Then you get the analysis, that's like reports, then all the results you get that. Then it is built to integrate with CI/CD very well. So Catlon Studio integrates with continuous integration, continuous testing very well. It supports like Jenkins, then all these whatever logos you can see, all these it supports very well. Jira and then Git, it supports very well. So it can integrate with CI/CD really well. Then going further, these are different products offered by Catlon Studio, and then these are different solutions. So let's go to their website. Let me open Firefox, and then this is the website. So catlon.com. So this is the website, and then if you click on the products, you can see these are the major products. Catlon Studio, that is the one we are right now discussing about. Then we have Catlon Desktops, AI based analytics for your automation true value. So there is a Desktops product. Then we have Catlon Recorder for record and playback. Then we have Catalium, Selenium and TestNG made easy. So that is specifically for Selenium and TestNG automation. Then we have these solutions. So one second. So web testing. So it supports web testing, a robust solution for end-to-end web testing. Then we can do API testing, mobile testing, desktop testing. Then integrations, seamless integrations with various DevOps tools like Jenkins or other DevOps tools. It integrates really well. Then methodologies, from data-driven cross-browser to BDD testing. So it supports a variety of methodologies, and with all these features, it is really a number one tool, and it is growing day by day, and the demand is increasing. Then going back to the presentation, let's go through few more features. It provides a productive IDE to generate automated tests easily because it is based on Eclipse SDK. It is very easy to use. It provides powerful record and playback. Then powerful object repository and test framework. So we have the object repository. We can store different web elements or desktop elements, whatever different elements you want to interact with in your automation. Then it provides a very powerful test framework so that maintenance is going to be very easy. Execution, running, reporting, maintenance is going to be very easy. Then we have the codeless experience for beginners. If you are a beginner, you can use codeless features. You can get codeless experience. And then infinite testing extension for experts. So it goes up to the expert level. You can do all the scripting, then advanced configuration, all that. Built for continuous testing. So it integrates very well with your CI/CD and continuous delivery framework. Out of the box, it supports Jira integration. Then there is native integration with most of the popular CI tools like Jenkins, Bamboo, Azure, and Circle CI. So all these are very good features of Catlon Studio. Then going further, these are the supported environments. So operating systems, it supports Windows 7, 8, 10, then Mac OS 10, 11, then Linux, Ubuntu based. Then it supports variety of browsers, Chrome, Firefox, IE, Edge, Opera, Safari. Then it supports Android and iOS mobile applications. Coming to the desktop, it supports these desktop apps. So desktop apps written in all these platforms like Universal Windows Platform, Windows Forms, then Windows Presentation Foundation, then Classic Windows. Then coming to the languages, it supports Java and Groovy. These are the languages that you can use to write your scripting, then advanced configuration or framework. Going further, for full details, go to this link. So we have this link coming from Catlon Studio website. Then you can go through that. Then we have different helpful resources as well. So let's go through that link. Let me go to Firefox. Then this is the Catlon website. Then go to support. Then you can see different helpful links. Let me go to documentation. And then here you can see entire documentation. Then go to Catlon Studio Enterprise. Then go to getting started. Then go to installation and activation. And then here you can see supported environments. So you can see all the supported environments and full details here. Then along with that, there are different helpful links, so you can go through them as well. Going further, so let's look at some of the amazing facts and tips. Catlon Studio is 2020 Customer's Choice in Software Test Automation. This is coming from Gartner Peers Insight. So this is selected as Customer's Choice. So let me go to that link. So here I have that link. If I go to Gartner Peers website, so Gartner Peer Insights, and then this is the area software test automation market, and then so sorted by most number of ratings, high to low. Then you can see Catlon Studio is number one. Then we have other tools like Neoload or Test Project, but at the top with 210 ratings, Catalan Studio is number 1. And then going further, even with a Capterra website, Catalan is ranked as number 1 test automation software. So let me go to Capterra website. So this is the link. So here I have selected automated testing software, and then if you see here, we have Catalan Studio with most reviews sorted by most reviews. Then with 641 reviews, Catalan Studio is number 1. Then we have UiPath with 550 reviews, and then we have like other automation tools, but Catalan Studio is on the top. Then going further, these are the different companies using Catalan Studio. So you can see we have very huge brands there: Samsung, then Ford, Best Buy, SAP, then Siemens, Oracle. All these are really very big companies using Catalan Studio. All these are taken from Catalan Studio website. So if you go to the website, then if you scroll down, you can see the companies here: Samsung, Siemens. You can see the companies here. So that's all for Catalan Studio introduction, features and supported platforms. So really thank you for watching this video, team. Then please subscribe to the channel, then give it a like, then comment on the video. It really motivates me to do more amazing videos. Thank you, team. See you in the next video. Bye.